Hi, this is Sanjana from Mockat, but in today's video, you're not going to hear from me. You're going to hear from Vignesh, who's a 99.99 percentiler in CAT Quant, and he will help you to improve your scores in Quant in mocks. Now, there are three primary reasons why you could get low Quant scores. The first could be if you are lacking concept understanding. Maybe you're looking at text lessons and you've not really got a thorough grasp of the concepts. Maybe you're just memorizing formulae. So you need to focus on the concepts. CAT is a conceptual exam, and the more you understand quant, the better it is. At Mockat, what our students get is a lot of video lessons where you get an understanding of the topic conceptually, starting from the basics and going all the way up to the advanced concepts. Along with this, we have practice questions split into easy, medium, difficult for you to practice, as well as 25 CAT mocks and 45 CAT sectionals, 15 of which are quant. But something unique that we have is speed math, speed quant, and most important, speed concepts, where you're going through questions and you're solving them, and you can probably get an 8 or a 9 or even a 10 out of 10 if you've understood the concept well. And that is what you need for you to get into and really understand quant conceptually and get high scores. If this is not your problem, say you're practicing a lot of questions and you're getting them right, but the marks are just not translating into mocks, then it could be your test taking strategy. So at Mockat, the strategy that we recommend is the 6-8-8 approach, and I'll let Vignesh explain this one.
How about this? You do this in the next test, all of you. We've been discussing, right? Questions to view, right? 6, 8, and 8. Yeah. Time to or minutes to view. How much time shall we give for each to view? 3, 4, and 4. Half a minute for each question. Yeah. I'm not saying strictly half a minute, then you go to the next question. You understand? 3 minutes for 6 questions. 4 minutes for 8 questions, 4 minutes for 8 questions. Minutes to view, right? Solving time, 7 minutes here. I'll write it as minutes, otherwise it'll be confusing. So I give my handwriting, 11 minutes here, 11 minutes here. All right, minutes to view plus solving time is total time spent. Yeah, 10 minutes, then
15 minutes for the next 8.
15, then
and
15. So what I'm saying is this 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 4 minutes. Pen to paper, only to write the question numbers. In the sense, say attempt, right? Or in your opinion, easy, medium, hard. You can say first question is easy, second and third are medium, fourth I don't know how to do, sixth I know how to do, 5, fine, I'll put 5 here. But between these 2, 3, 5, I think third one is a little easy. So I'll try the first, I'll try the sixth, and then I'll try the third. All of this is all you can do in this time. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Do you need so much time to segregate? Probably not. You're thinking that you might not need, but that is where the mistake lies. What I'm trying to say is you can only write down these question numbers. You can think about the approach. Wait, 3 minutes is still running. Let it run. Logarithm. Okay, logarithm question. How do I solve? Okay, I can apply log a to the base b. Wait, this is in the denominator. I can bring it to the numerator. Wait, answer options. It has to be an integer answer. I have to get rid of the logarithm. All that thinking thought process can happen in those 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Yeah, you're thinking about the ways to solve it. You're not wasting time. 3, 4, 4, 11 minutes is not wasted. 11 minutes is helping you pick the right ones, and you're thinking about the right approach. Should you do this in the main exam? I don't know. But for now, can you try this for the next 3 mocks or sectionals or whatever and see as to whether it's helping you out? If 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes are not enough for you to read, make it 4, 5, and 5. It's perfectly fine. Spend an extra minute if need be. Once you pick the right questions, the right approach, and all of that, you should be able to solve it in 7, 11 minutes. Definitely. Those questions you have chosen correctly, 100% it's enough time for you. So spend this time to view. It is not, don't even get into the hyper panic mode. This test is not for those who panic. It's about keeping your cool. If you got stuck in one question, that's okay. I thought 6 is easy. Fine, it's okay. I have 1, I have 3 also sitting over there. Let me take the next one. How do I do this? Okay, it's okay. Fine. First 10 minutes, I didn't do anything. We'll go to the next set.
So try out this strategy in the next mocks and sectionals and see if it works for you. If it works, do shoot a comment to let us know that. And if it doesn't, shoot out any questions that you have and we'll definitely help you out. Now, one last thing which could happen is maybe the reason that you are getting a low score is because you're getting a lot of negative marks because of errors, silly mistakes, calculation errors. And one reason could be that, you're not double checking, or it could be because you're trying to solve too many questions and, you're just rushing. And that's why you are making some mistakes, or, you're just copying things wrong, or, just not getting the right concept. So this is something which you can solve by analyzing your past mocks and seeing if that is the case. If that is the case, slow down, double check, read the question again, and try to get to as close to 100% accuracy. Remember, accuracy over speed. It's better to solve 5 questions and get them all correct and get a 15 than solve 10 questions with a 50% accuracy, or even 7 questions with a, say, a 60% accuracy. These are some of the strategies which have worked a lot for our students. So hopefully they work for you. That's it from us today. And do check out mockat.com for video lessons, speed concepts, daily reading and POV, and a whole lot more. All the best.